When it comes to updating or renovating your Washington, D.C. home, choosing the right style of windows and doors can significantly impact both the aesthetics and functionality of your property. Windows and doors are not only essential for protecting your home from the elements but also play a crucial role in enhancing curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, and increasing overall comfort. With so many styles and materials to choose from, it can be overwhelming to make the right decision. However, with a little guidance, you can select windows and doors that complement your home's architectural style and meet your specific needs. In this article, we'll help you navigate the process of selecting the perfect windows and doors for your Washington, D.C. home by considering factors like style, functionality, energy efficiency, and maintenance. Consider your home's architecture and style. One of the first things to consider when choosing new windows and doors is your home's architectural style. The design of your windows and doors should complement the overall look of your home, whether it's a historic row house, modern townhouse, or a colonial-style property. Traditional homes. For homes with a more classic or traditional style, double-hung windows and wooden doors with intricate details often work well. These windows offer timeless appeal and are designed to provide a vintage look while maintaining the classic charm of your home. Consider French doors or arched windows to match the elegant, old-world style. Modern or contemporary homes. If your home features a modern or contemporary design, clean lines and sleek materials are key. Casement windows, sliding windows, and minimalist steel or fiberglass doors are excellent options for creating a more streamlined, modern aesthetic. These windows and doors emphasize simplicity and large glass panels that bring natural light into the home. Victorian or craftsman homes. If your home falls into the Victorian or craftsman style, bay windows, transom windows, and decorative doors with detailed woodwork can enhance the intricate, historical appeal of the property. Matching the window and door style to the architecture of your home ensures a harmonious and visually appealing look. Evaluate functionality and performance. While aesthetics are important, the functionality of your windows and doors is equally essential. Consider the specific needs of your home and lifestyle when selecting new windows and doors. Ventilation. If you want better airflow in certain areas of your home, consider casement windows or awning windows, which open outward to allow fresh air to circulate. These windows are perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or other rooms where ventilation is key. Natural light. If you want to flood your home with light, picture windows or large bay windows are great choices. These types of windows allow ample sunlight to brighten your living space, making rooms feel more open and airy. Security. Security is a crucial factor, especially for ground-level windows. Look for windows and doors with advanced locking systems, such as multi-point locking or smart locks, to keep your home secure. Impact-resistant windows are an excellent choice for added security, especially in high-traffic or storm-prone areas. Accessibility. Consider the ease of use for windows and doors. For example, sliding doors can be more convenient than traditional hinged doors in tight spaces or patios, while French doors offer a beautiful entryway with a more classic aesthetic. Prioritize energy efficiency. Washington, D.C.'s climate can be challenging, with hot summers and cold winters. Choosing energy-efficient windows and doors can help you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Insulation. Modern double-pane or triple-pane windows with low-E coatings are excellent for insulation. These windows help maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home by blocking heat transfer and reducing air leaks. Material choices. The material of your windows and doors plays a significant role in their energy efficiency. Fiberglass and vinyl are both highly energy efficient, offering excellent insulation and reducing heat loss. Wood is another great option, but it requires regular maintenance to ensure its energy efficiency. Weather stripping and seals. Ensure that the windows and doors you choose come with proper weather stripping and tight seals to prevent drafts and air leaks. Proper sealing is crucial for minimizing energy loss and improving your home's overall energy performance. By selecting energy-efficient windows and doors, you'll not only enhance your home's comfort but also save money in the long run. Consider durability and maintenance. Windows and doors are long-term investments, so it's important to choose materials that are durable and require minimal maintenance. Depending on your preferences and lifestyle, some materials may be a better fit for your home. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is a low-maintenance option that is durable, energy-efficient, and resistant to weathering. It doesn't require painting or sealing and can be cleaned easily with soap and water. It's an excellent option for homeowners who want a hassle-free experience. Wooden windows and doors. While wood offers a classic look and great insulation, it does require more maintenance, such as periodic painting and sealing to prevent rot and deterioration. However, if you love the traditional look and are willing to invest time in upkeep, wood can provide timeless charm. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are highly durable, resistant to warping, and low maintenance. They also offer excellent energy efficiency and can be designed to mimic the appearance of wood. Choosing durable materials that require less upkeep means your new windows and doors will last longer, protecting your investment and saving you time and effort in maintenance. Budget and value. The cost of window and door replacement varies greatly depending on the materials, style, and installation complexity. It's essential to consider your budget when making a decision, but remember that the value of your investment is equally important. Cost versus value. While it's tempting to choose the cheapest option, investing in higher quality energy-efficient windows and doors can offer greater long-term savings in energy bills and maintenance costs. In addition, well-chosen windows and doors can increase your home's curb appeal and market value. Conclusion. Choosing the right style of windows and doors for your Washington, D.C. home is an important decision that impacts both your home's appearance and functionality. By considering your home's architectural style, energy efficiency needs, functionality, and maintenance preferences, you can select the best options for your property. Whether you prefer the classic look of double-hung windows, the sleek design of sliding doors, or the added security of impact-resistant windows, the right windows and doors can transform your home into a more comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient space. Take the time to explore your options and consult with professionals to ensure your selection fits both your aesthetic vision and practical needs.